Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to share with you our best tips and tricks to make the Magic Peel Base last longer. Magic Peel Base is our revolutionary product that will allow you to change your mani more often without using so much acetone. This peelable base coat makes removing the glam powder and gel polish super easy. If you want to extend the wear time of your manicure first, you'll need to push back the cuticles. Make sure there is no dead tissue left on your nails. Any remaining cuticle can cause your nails to pop off too early. Removing the cuticle allows for better adhesion on manicures and prevents premature lifting. Next, gently buff down the natural shine of your nails. Use the finer side grit on your Rossi nail buffer. This will allow for the better adhesion and longer wear. Next, swipe your nails with alcohol or acetone to dehydrate the nail plate. You should only use very concentrated alcohol, since alcohol with lower concentration tends to have a lot of water, which can leave some moisture on your nails. We recommend using 99% pure isopropyl alcohol since it has the least amount of water. Use lint-free wipes and avoid using cotton wipes as they can leave residue over your nails. Here you can see the difference between a dehydrated buffed nail and a shiny nail. Magic Peel Base has a thick formula that applies smoothly and evenly, and it's suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. Wear time depends on how many coats are applied. Apply Peel Base only to the middle of the nail, leaving a gap around the edges. This way, your mani will last up to 7 days. Here, we used blue gel polish to show you better how to best apply it. It's a great hack to keep your mani from peeling too early. Apply Magic Peel Base to all over the nail and allow it to fully air dry. Our base is one of the fastest drying products on the market. It takes only 2.5 minutes to fully dry. You know it's ready because the base, instead of having a blue tint, will dry fully clear and be dry to the touch. Now you're ready to start dipping. Pick up your favorite glam powder or gel polish shade. We're going to use Solis, which is a gorgeous mood color changing powder. It's a warm red shade when it's cold and light orange when it's warm. Follow the basic dipping application method. As always, apply a thin and even layer of Rossi base coat and dip your finger into the powder at a 45-degree angle. Tap off the excess and repeat on the other nails. Brush away excess powder after the base has dried. Apply the second coat to achieve more opacity and strength of the nail. Overlap dipping powder beyond the peel base onto the nail for longer wear. The edge will stick on the naked nail, so it will be harder for nails to pop off. Brush away any excess powder. Next, apply Rossi Activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. You can already see the nail changing color from the contact with the cold activator liquid. File and shape the nails. Use the 180 nail file and follow up with a nail buffer. After the buffing, remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. Don't wash your hands at this step. Moisture can interfere with the top coat and may result in foggy nails. Apply 2 coats of Rossi top coat. Wait 2 minutes for the first coat to dry, then apply the second coat of top coat more precisely. Make sure to wrap the free edge of the nail. This will also ensure the nails stay on longer. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Apply Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. Apply cuticle oil regularly to keep your nails and cuticles healthy. There are other factors other than application methods that may affect wear time. Avoid overexposure to water. For example, remember to wear gloves when cleaning and doing dishes. We are all guilty of using our nails as tools sometimes, peeling labels, opening packages, and pop cans, and other various daily activities. It doesn't mean we should quit using our hands. Just be more mindful when wearing the peel base. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you already got your Magic Peel Base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!